I think we need two things to make a great salad. It should be really easy to prepare and it should be delicious. And that's what we're doing with this arugula, goat cheese, and raspberry salad. We're gonna start with our quick vinaigrette first. After all, that is the soul of the salad. So you want some olive oil, some Dijon mustard, some apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, then some salt, pepper, and a nice whisk to just put that all together. Then here we also have some almonds that I was roasting at 350 Fahrenheit. We let that cool down for now. And then you can just roughly chop it. Make sure you don't powder it. You want chunks of almonds still there. Just cross chop like this. Now this is a salad that I used for my chicken schnitzel recipe, and I'm going to show you two ways to present it. So first will be to put all your rockets or your arugula in a bowl. Put your dressing in. I'm using just about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then you mix that up. Then you can add in the goat cheese within it and then mix it to make a creamy kind of texture. That's what I did for the schnitzel. Then you just place that on the plate, in this case on top of my schnitzel, top it with your almonds and then your raspberries. Well, the other way, and let me know what you prefer down below, is to just put the dressing on your rockets again, and then you add in a bit of your almonds, mix that up really well, and then plate it. And then you add in your raspberry, and then some more crushed almonds that are roasted from the top. And then you put little dollops of goat cheese around the plate, scatter it around. I honestly think that they both look delicious, and while plated by itself, the second method just works. But with the chicken schnitzel, I really prefer that first method where the cheese is mixed in as well. What do you think? Well, enjoy it with your chicken schnitzel if that's what you want, or there's so many other recipes you can have this salad with, which will be linked down below.